Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Bybit how to buy USDT. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to buy USDT on Bybit, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Bybit application and be sure to be logged into your account with the credentials. Then once logged in, what you need to do is simply tap on trade option on the bottom of your screen. Then once you're inside here, in order to buy, simply select the buy option right here, and now select USDT or BTC and then select the currency you want, like Euro, USDT, GBP or NPR, etc. Then select receive USDT. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is enter the amount you want to spend and choose the payment method from Visa or MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. And once that's done, all you gotta do is review all the details that you have entered and confirm the purchase, and the USDT will arrive from the wallet. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.